Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check recently viewed videos on YouTube. Friends, if you want to see the list of all the recently seen videos on YouTube, then you need to open YouTube app. Now here on your YouTube app, you need to press on the profile picture. Now here you will find history. Press on it. Now here it will show list of all the recently seen videos. Now to remove any video from this history list, you simply need to press on the three dots and here you need to press on remove from watch history. So friends, like this you can very easily check the history of all the seen videos on YouTube. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.